Good morning, students. Today I will explain the poem Be an Alert Driver. But before that, I will recite the poem. After partying the whole night, they were returning, driving on the road with no lights. The lady narrating all incidents discussed. The children, how they were pampered, how they were fussed. The driver, the head of the family, was too tired to hear. He was dozing off, would forget to change the gear. He pressed the accelerator instead of the brake. The car crashed into the barricade and fell into the lake. The children used their presence of mind and pressed speed dial. Help reached just in a short while. Fractured jaws, broken bones, bruises here and there. God was kind to save each life, but it was a nightmare. I was driving safe. What went wrong? He said. The cop said, remaining calm, fresh, and alert is a driver's task. Now, student, I will explain you the first stanza, but first we will discuss the new words that are given in first stanza. So, first word is incident. Incidents means events. Then is pampered. Pampered means indulge with every attention, comfort, and kindness. Then is first. First means feeling distressed or irritated. Then is dozing off. Dozing off means feeling falling lightly asleep. So in the first stanza, the poet says that a family was returning home after attending party for the whole night. There were no lights on the road when they were coming back from the party. The woman was talking about the events that were discussed in the party. The children had also enjoyed, so they were also anxious to tell every detail. And at the same time, they were getting irritated because they were very tired and they were very late. The man who was driving the car was very tired, so he was not interested in their talking. He was feeling sleepy and he forgot to change the gear. He pressed the accelerator instead of the brake. The car crashed into the barricade and fell into the lake. The children used their presence of mind and pressed a speed dial. Help reached just in a short while. What is the meaning of accelerator? It is a device which controls the speed of the vehicle's engine. Then barricade means barrier. And then speed dial means a function on some phones which allows numbers to be entered into a memory and dialed with the push of a single button. So in the second stanza, the poet says that as the man was feeling sleepy, so what he did, he pressed accelerator instead of the brake. Means instead of stopping the car, he increased the speed of the car, and because of it the car broke the barrier and fell into the lake. At that time the children were alert, they were calm, so they took quick and sensible action and they pressed speed dial. They got help in a short while and they all were rescued. Fractured jaws, broken bones, bruises here and there. God was kind to save each life, but it was a nightmare. I was driving safe. What went wrong? He asked. The cop said, remaining calm, fresh, and alert is a driver's task. So, what is the meaning? injuries appearing on an area of discolored skin on a body, means चोट लग जाना. Nightmare means a terrifying, unpleasant experience. And so in this stanza, the poet says that they all were injured badly and they had fractures, but by the grace of God they all were saved. But it was a terrifying and unpleasant experience for them. The man who was not aware of his mistake, he asked the police officer that what he had done. So police officer replied that while driving, calm, fresh and alert means you should always drive without any nervousness, and while driving the car you should always be active. So I hope students you all have understood the poem. I will send you the word meanings and question and answers of this poem. Thank you.